Hello everybody from C101. I'm here to show you a clipping circuit and how it works. We have a oscilloscope first of all, and then right over here, get it in the picture, you can see I have a bunch of stuff. This right here is a frequency generator. And then, get it back on the oscilloscope here. And then what we have is get this up for you so you can see, is a diode. Get it on up here. A diode. It's a linear diode, 1.5 volts, and we have 100 ohm or 1000 ohms resistor there to really control the current. Now the neat thing about this is if you see right here, you've got a square wave, and that's what's going into the circuit. Now if I pull back on it, you could see right here it starts clipping. Let you see it a little bit better. It starts clipping, and this is DC, and what they use a clipper circuit for is to hold the voltage at one spot. And the neat thing about this is, you really shouldn't do this, but I'm going to do it anyway. You take this out, and you turn it around, and look here, it's clipping on the top. I think that's pretty awesome. It was on the bottom, and now it's on the top. And so you can get a dual look. You can see where it goes, the trace goes up and back down, and the clipper goes right there, and it clips it right there. And so you have that much voltage clipped off. And I think that's pretty cool. These circuits are used in a number of television sets and a number of circuits. Now what I'm going to do is to show you that this will not change. I'm going to go over here, get my big arm in the way, and I'm going to go to amplitude, and I'm going to say 12 volts. And how about that? Still the same. The square wave got bigger, but the clipping circuit did not get any bigger. That's a pretty cool thing. Now there's one other circuit I'd like to show you. It's called a back-to-back clipper, and I was going to tear circuit it apart anyway, so we'll just move you over here. This is my enjoyment life right here. Right here. Putting these circuits together and watching how they're made and what they do, and you know, they're doing what they're supposed to do. I mean, to me, this is just an awesome thing. The space here is kind of confined, so you have to bear with me on that. This is my little tiny workshop. Okay, so now So what we're missing is we need to go bring this outward. Let's see what we have here. We should have two clipping devices going at the same time, which is a really cool circuit. I just need to get my end working here, and then we'll be good to go. Oh well, here's the problem: no power. Didn't pay the power bill, folks. Didn't pay the power bill. You gotta pay the power bill. What we got going on there? Let's see, make sure everything's hooked up. Alright, now, let's see. We got one side going. Now, let's get this other side here going. And it will, yeah, it's not going to do very well for me, but anyway, you get the idea that it does clip. Put it on channel 2, and that shows you the wave that's coming in. And you switch back to channel 1, it's not a very good circuit. Let me try to change the frequency, see what we get. Let's say 3, 0. See what we get there. There we go. Well, that kind of straightened it up a little bit. Not a whole lot. Let's well, now that gives you a pretty good idea right there of the clipping circuit. Both of them are clipping together, and then you have your sine wave coming in, and then you put the dual there, and you can see that it's clipping. This is kind of hard to show with both of them, but I hope you enjoyed this presentation, and I enjoyed being in class with you. Thanks for watching.